So this apartment behind me was manufactured in a factory right here. With me is Vikas, a property advisor from Bonitas Property Advisors and Consulting Firm. And he's going to tell us how this apartment was manufactured. Let's check it out. To understand a bit more about precast, at Park Square they have put up this experience center, and to explain what precast exactly is and what we as consumers should expect, Vikas is going to take us through it. So can you tell me a bit more about precast?
Definitely. So just to explain in a layman language, right? The precast is nothing but the ready wall. So it comes in a sheet kind of format. So 10 feet by 5 feet, 10 feet by 4 feet. Each one will have the steel inside that wall itself. So every precast is like a load bearing wall. So if you think about the normal wall, what will you will have the cement blocks kind of thing. So on that one you have to put the layer of cement before you do the painting, right? So in the precast, just you have to put the putty and you have to do the paint. And it's always flat. There is no wavy kind of finish. So on the wall, you won't get any seepage. So it will be always neat and good finish.
So as a consumer, am I paying extra for this technology? What extra benefits am I getting? How do I take that decision? Can you tell me a bit more?
Definitely. So the precast has majorly 3 advantages. One is you don't need the column structure. That is first thing. The second advantage is the normal wall will be, the inner wall will be 9 inches and the outer wall will be 12 inches. But in the precast, it will be like 6 inches and the 8 inches.
Okay.
Right. So even though it looks little expensive at the papers, but when you think about the carpet area, you will get the more carpet area on the precast.
Okay. And I don't lose any functionality if it's thinner or anything like that?
No,
right?
no. You will. It's more stronger than any other walls. Like it's the second thing is it's soundproof.
Okay.
So if it is 6 inches also, you won't hear anything from the outside.
Interesting.
That is
okay.
That is good advantages of that one.
What else?
And the third thing is the time, right?
Okay.
So the normal construction, if it is taking 1 month, in precast it will be done in 15 days.
Wow.
It's reduced 50% of the time.
So the chances of you getting your home are a lot faster.
faster than the normal construction.
Interesting. Okay. That's probably one of the reasons why builders also will start shifting to precast sooner or later.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you will get the more carpet area when you use the precast.
Done. So that was a bit about precast wall, guys. Now let's understand a little bit more of how it impacts our plumbing lines, our electrical lines, and the finish. So you've told me about structure of precast. Makes sense what you just said, that it's load bearing and it's a lot better than block work or your traditional construction. What about my electrical lines?
In the normal block work, first they create the wall. After that one, the electrician will come. He will start pitching up the electrical lines and he will put the pipings. Okay. So that is most inefficient way of doing that one. It's very time consuming.
Right.
But in precast, what will happen? All the electric points, electric lines is predefined. And when you prepare the wall of the precast, the electric lines and the plumbing lines, it's already predefined.
Oh, wow.
So it's everything comes with that particular grooving itself. You don't need to groove or pitch or chip out. Nothing is needed.
Okay.
So it's all predefined and you get it readily available. And instantly, once the wall is done, the electric wiring has to be pulled through it. That's it.
Superb. But then this tells me that there's a disadvantage here that I can't do much customization, right?
Correct. So what happens is you can't move the plug point from one place to another place, but wherever the line is going, in the same line you can make the alterations.
Okay.
So that is readily available in the blueprint.
Okay. So like the blueprint already has where there is wires and all that.
Absolutely. So if you want to, the plug has to be put on the top, we can do that one. So for the child safety or some reason you have to put it upstairs, you can do it. But you can't shift from that to here.
Got it.
So that you have to do outside.
That line will be visible basically.
Visible, yes.
So that's the disadvantage, but the advantage is because it's already inside. So this actually, does it affect my maintenance in any way? For
Absolutely. So here it's already been done. So there is, it's very less unlikely like you will have the breakage of the electric lines or the plumbing. There won't be any leakage over here.
Interesting. Okay. Makes sense. Next, we're going to ask him a little bit more about how plumbing works. So this was electrical. Let's see how plumbing works.
So now in the plumbing, right, the good part about here is there won't be any seepage because it's all the precast and it's pre-grooved. You won't find any seepage on the paint or anything over here. And if you want to make an alteration by taking the blueprint, you have to just remove this particular piece wherever there is a problem, fix it, and you can do it again.
Patch it up again.
Patch the work. That's it. It's much easier than your traditional way of doing that one. And in this one, the leakage will be more, but here the leakage will be much more lesser.
Right. And what about the tiles? I mean, does it affect the tiles in any way?
No,
because
the
water
tiles will be always perfect in this one. There you won't have any air gaps over here because it's all precasted, and the pipe completely go inside the precast.
Okay.
It's not outside. So
Right.
if you see that one in the traditional way, what happens is the pipe will come little bit outside if they
Right.
have not chipped properly.
Correct.
So here you won't have those problems.
So I understand the advantages of precast, and now we are inside a model home of the Park Square guys. So tell me this, right, as an end consumer, someone who's going to live in the home, what exactly will I experience differently? Because a lot of the things which you just showed me are technical stuff.
Correct.
I am more interested in what I am paying for and what I'm
I
experiencing.
totally understand on that one. So two advantages over here. One is the house looked bigger.
Okay.
The reason is even the flooring and the ceiling is the precast one. So what happens is in the normal way, the height of the ceiling will be 9 to 9.3 feet.
Okay.
But here you will get the ceiling height is 9.67 feet.
Okay.
That is the bigger advantage.
Okay.
The second thing is the flooring, right? So as it is a precast, there won't be any air bubbles. So what happens is the tiles is always flat, and the second thing is it won't crack much easily.
Okay.
So that is the second one. The third thing is additional to that one, the carpet area is almost like 38%. 30 to 40%. In the traditional way, you get around 33 to 35%.
Okay.
Because of the precast, the wall thickness is reduced 1 inches and the outer wall is reduced almost like 3-4 inches.
Okay.
So you get the bigger carpet area for the same super built up area.
So basically, I experience a bigger home.
Bigger home.
Interesting. Okay. So in Park Square, what are the sizes which are available, Vikas?
In Park Square, you have 8 different models, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. There are no floor rise charges. The only thing is what you have is the premium, super premium, ultra premium charges. The premium will be 100 rupees more, where you will get the corner properties, nice view kind of thing. Super premium, you will have the the park view kind of thing, and ultra premium you will have the high rise with swimming pool view and garden view kind of thing.
Interesting. So there's difference in views basically.
Correct, absolutely.
So an important thing when someone is looking to move into such an apartment, a township apartment, is what are the sort of amenities available?
Okay.
What all is accessible inside of the apartment itself to make sure that I don't have to move in traffic.
I agree.
So what is available in Park Square?
So in Park Squares, even you have a mall,
Okay.
except theater, and you have all the amenities what you can think of.
Okay.
You have the Central Park, you have the walking trail, you have tennis court, squash court, indoor games, you have a party hall,
Okay.
gym, everything, full-fledged gym, everything is available. Even the trainers will come over here.
Okay.
Okay, so by 2022, the party hall, the clubhouse, and the gym and the Central Park will be ready.
Okay.
And the remaining one will be available later on. We have the badminton. They have the badminton court,
Okay.
table tennis, okay, and the cricket pitch. Everything you name, basketball court. Everything is available in this township.
Okay. And what about its accessibility to the main city?
Sure. So till this property, 211A bus is coming till here,
Okay.
and the Kanakpura metro line is just 1.2 kilometers away from here.
Okay.
Okay, it's very accessible. From there, auto is available 24/7.
Right.
Uber will come 24/7 in this locality.
One of the normal things I think about a lot is how much ventilation and open air is available. So what is the case in this property?
So in this property, only 40% is covered in the construction. The
Okay.
60% is the open area.
Okay.
So this is entire is 20 acres land, and
Okay.
8 acres is construction.
Okay.
Remaining 12 acres is open area.
So Vikas, if I end up purchasing an apartment from Park Square, what all do I get in the apartment? What should I expect as a consumer?
So Nikhil, this is how you get the apartment when you buy it, right?
Okay.
So all doors are engineering goods which are
Okay.
very strong. During the rainy season, it won't expand, so you won't have the problem of locking by itself.
Right.
That is one thing. You'll get all the electric fittings are from Schindler.
Okay.
And American standard bathroom fittings.
Okay.
And the plumbing fitting is from Grohe.
Wow.
So this is all you get it from here. And Kajaria tiles. Those are all comes at the highest standard one.
Okay.
So that is what you get it. And you will have the the balcony doors also, sliding doors you will get it. And all the windows are sliding doors. And another two things I missed out. One is Snyder elevators we are using.
Okay.
And the Berger paints.
Okay. So the builder is going to paint the apartment and give
Absolutely.
it.
Yes.
Superb.
All white painting, and if you want you can add colors later on.
You can customize that depending on your choice.
Yes.
So because say I am interested in this apartment and I want to buy it, when is it ready to move in? Because obviously I want something which I can move in fast. And what about things like approvals, water availability, all those things? I hope it's been taken care of.
Okay. So few towers are available by September 22nd.
Okay.
And few towers is available from June 2023, and few towers are available by 2025. And it's been already approved by SBI, HDFC, private banks, and also some finance companies.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want the property which is readily available by September 2022, you have to pay 85% upfront within next 3 months.
Okay.
And for the which is available by 2023, you have to pay 51% upfront.
Okay.
And the towers which are available by 2025, you have to pay 35% upfront, remaining at the time of possession.
What about water availability and things like that?
So there are 20 borewells points are available. Right now 7 are in place.
Okay.
Kaveri connection is already established in this particular area.
Okay.
And once it's been completed, the municipality will give the connections.
Okay.
And we have STP, rainwater harvest, and the water treatment plant.
Okay.
And for the flush tanks, the recycled water will be used.
So what about solar water heating?
So solar water heater facility is available only for the last floor.
Okay. I have another question regarding electrical points. So from the builder side, what all am I getting from an electrical perspective for this Park Square?
So you have the fittings which is available shown in the apartment.
No ceiling fan or geyser or anything like that?
Nothing. You will have the points, you will have the switches, but the fixtures you have to put by yourself.
Okay. And what about the MCB and all that?
It's all available.
That is included?
It's included. All the electric points, switches, the regulators for the fans is available. The points for the AC, 15 amps plug points is available.
Okay. But the fixtures you have to get on your own?
Absolutely.
So this was Park Square, a really interesting apartment off of Kanakpura Road. If you have any questions related to Park Square, we'll connect Vikas's number in the description, and we'll also link an inquiry form. You will directly be redirected to him and his team. If you have any questions about Park Square, let us know in the comment section below and we'll have someone respond to you immediately. But this was an interesting property. Let me know what you thought about it and let us know which property you would want us to cover next.